Okay. So, hi Simeon. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. So, in the last class, we were doing a sutra we were doing.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
And this is our introduction. First, and then we will.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. I
Can
don't
you repeat
understand what
that?
you're saying.
My voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 second. Now, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, now it's fine.
No, it's fine. Okay. Yeah. So, I was asking that in the previous classes, we did one sutra. Okay. So, first, we'll try out some questions of that sutra. Okay. And then, after that, we will move on to the next one. Okay. By the sound. First, we'll do the square of the number at the ones place. Okay. Then we'll
Ma'am, the answer is 4096.
4096. Okay. Let me check it. Okay. 4096 is correct, Anna. Good.
Ma'am, I'm getting 3856.
3856. How 3856?
I got 4096.
4096. Yes, 4096 is correct. Okay, now I'll solve it once. Okay, I'll solve it. 64 square. Okay, now first we'll take in the step 1 the square of the number which is at the units place. Okay, how much? 8. Second step, we multiply both the numbers.
4 squares are 8. I thought there was 16.
It's 16. So sorry. Mistakenly wrote it. 16. Okay. Now, multiply the two digits from the original number. Okay. How much? 24. And then double it. 48. Okay. Here, we will not take 16. We will take only 6. Okay. Because the base is how much? 60. Only 1 0. And here, add 1 to it from the first step. 48 plus 1. 49. But here also I will only take 9. Okay.
Your voice
Because
is breaking again.
hello, is it clear now? Can you all hear me now?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. I can hear.
Okay. So for the second step, we will only take 9. Then for the third step, we will do a square of 6. Okay. Do a square of 6. 36 plus add 4 from the previous step. It becomes 40. Now we'll write this together. Okay. 4096 is the answer. Okay. Abraham, is it clear to you?
Yes, I have understood.
Understood. Okay. All right.
Now, will we do one more sum?
No, we'll move on to another sutra. Okay. Now we saw the sutras for squares right now. We'll saw the sutras for cubes. Okay, sutra for cube we will see. Now in this sutra,
I just have one question about the earlier sutra.
yes, Abraham.
Now, I don't think the earlier sutra that you are doing is doable with the one with this one. With like, see, the one we were doing, like how we saw 64 is doable with 3-digit numbers.
I didn't get the question, Abraham.
Ma'am, I don't think the sutra that we were doing, how we are solving squares is doable with like 3-digit numbers. I think it's only for 2-digit.
Okay, maybe yes, it's only for 2 digits because all we have in the questions is 2-digit numbers only. But you can like after the class try it out with a 3-digit number. Okay,
Yeah.
after class just try doing with a 3-digit number, same method, and see if you are able to find out the square. All right. Okay. Now, sutra for cube, we have 41 cube. Okay, that we have to find out. What's the first step? The first step is that you have to do the square of the number, do the cube of the number, which is in the ones place. Okay. Step 1, we will do cube of the right term, that is 1. Okay. How much we will get? 1 only. Then second step, we will multiply with 3. We will multiply with 3 since it's a cube. Okay. Take the first term. Okay. And then take the second term. Again, it's cube. Solve it. How much? 12 into 1 cube means 1 means 12. Okay. Third step. Again 3 into. Now in this step, we will do cube of 4 also. No, not cube. Okay. Here also it's like not cube, it's square of 1. And here we'll do square of 4 also and square of 1 also. Okay. Now solve this. 16 times 3.
I'm not getting.
You're not getting. I'll re-explain it. Okay.
Now it's
I'll
cube, right? Not square.
Mama, I have
no.
a question. This is not like the
You're writing square everywhere.
Yeah, because it is square only in the solution of this sutra. Let's try with square if like we are getting or it's a print mistake. 1 second. Let's do and check. One square and 10 square. Plus 1 from the previous step. So 49. Here I'll just take 2. Okay. Then fourth step.
Ma'am, why do you add 1 to 48?
Why to add 1 to 48?
From the first
Base,
one,
yeah, base is 40, only 1 0. So we cannot take 2 digits. Okay. Yeah, only 1 digit we have to take. So only 2 we'll take.
Mama,
1 we will add to the next step.
Mama, why do you have to add 1 to 48?
Because this 1 I have taken from the previous answer. Okay.
so it's
I
like
was getting
480. It's like 480 plus 12.
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Okay. Now 4 cube. Do a cube of 4.
Ma'am, the sutra is too long.
Yes, it
4
is
cube
long.
is 64, right?
Yes, correct. 64. Okay. Now we have the answer. Okay. But one more step is there. Here I will only take 9. Okay. And the 4 will be added to this step. Okay. So it becomes 68. Okay. Now we will start writing the answer from here. Okay. From here. So this will be your first part. Okay. From the left. Okay. Then this is second part from the left. Third part from the left and the last part. Okay. So answer becomes
68921.
68921. Okay. 68921. Now we will not do the cubes. Okay. We only have to do the squares. See, now try to understand. I'll explain it once again. Okay. I have a number. Suppose let's take any number. I have the number 41. Okay. So first I'll do the cube of the number at the ones place. Okay, the number at the ones place, I'll do a cube. Okay, then in the next step, the same number, okay, I'll do a square, okay, add the other number that we have, multiply it with the other term, okay, and multiply the whole thing with 3 because cube we are doing, okay. Then next step, we will square both the numbers, 4 also, and the number the tens place also, and the number at the ones place also, and multiply them, okay, and multiply them. And then the last step, you cube the number at the tens place, okay. So these 4 steps we have to follow while finding the cube using this sutra, okay. A little confusing, but they are simple, a little long also, okay. Now try out this question. Try out this question. Find out the cube of 31.
In the second step, where did you get the 3 from?
Where do you get this 3 from? We take this 3 in the second and third step because we have to find the cube, okay? Because you have to find the cube raised to the power 3. Okay, so that 3 we are taking here.
In the third step, why do you add 1 from the previous step to the third step? No, like I got it like 12 plus like 1 plus 48 from the previous step, but why? Like, what is the logic? So why didn't in the second step, why didn't we take the 1 from there and add it?
Okay. From the second step, I haven't added it. I have done now here. See, 41 was our original number. Okay. And if I say what's its base, okay. So I have a sub base of 40. Okay. And 40 has only 1 0. Means that in the answers, okay, all the steps that are before the final step, they only need to have one digit. Okay, they only should have one digit, because in 40 there in the base or the sub base I have only 10. Okay, so now second step, I did 3 into 4 into 1 square, I was getting 12, but I only wrote 2. Okay, but 1 I carried to the next step. Now, next step I calculated
Oh,
3
first step
times,
there was only one digit.
there was only one digit. See,
Okay.
12 I was getting, then 1 I carried to the next step and added 1 to 48. So it became 49. Okay, again two digit number. So 9 I took and 4 I carried to the next step to be added. Okay, so 4 I added here in the next step. So until we have the final step of the answer, we keep carrying the numbers to the next steps to add. Okay,
Is the answer 29791?
is the answer what?
29791.
29791. Let me check, Abraham. 31 cube, right?
Ma'am, even
29791.
I'm getting 29791.
Yes, 29791 is the correct answer. Okay. And Simeon, hope your doubt is clear now. Okay. All right. We can try this question out as well. Okay. We can try it out as well. Our number was how much? 31. 31 cube. For the first step, we do the square of, the cube of 1. We will get how much? 1 only. The second step, we will multiply 3 and do a square of 1. Okay, so how much we will get? 3 3s are 9. Okay, multiplied by 1, 9 again, nothing to carry over. Then third step, we multiply 3 with the square of 3 and the square of 1. Okay, so it becomes 3 into 9 into 1, 27. So just 7 we will take here. 2 we'll carry to the next step. Final step, do a cube of 3. Okay. What is it? What's the cube of 3? 27. Add 2. 29. Okay. Now we'll put them together. Answer becomes 29791. Okay. Okay. Try out one more question. Try out one more. 91 cube. 91 cube. Try this out. And then try 53 cube.
Ma'am, I got 74557 for 91Q.
Can you repeat that?
745571.
745571. Okay. It's 753571. Check once again. Assuming yours is right. Okay. And I check your solution once again. Answer is 753571.
Ma'am, I'm still getting 74557.
Okay. We will do and see. First step, we will do 1 cube, which is 1. Second step, we will do 3 into 9 into 1 square. Okay. 27. Third step, we will do 3 into 9 square and 1 square. 9 square is how much? 81. So 3 into 81 into 1. 81 times 3, 243. Times 1 is also 243. Then the last step. Okay, first add to 243 27. From 27, we'll only take 7. 2 we will add here. So 245, 45, but we will make 5. Okay, 2, 4 we will carry in the next step. Alright, so now in the next step, 91, right? So 91, 9 cube we will do. Okay, 81 times 9.
I got 729.
7 to 9. Add 24. 753. 753. Okay, now we'll write the answer. Answer becomes 753571. Okay. Abraham, hope you are getting the answer.
Ma'am, I understood.
You understood. Okay. Try out the next one also, 53 cube.
Ma'am, you only have 4 steps. Shouldn't there be 5?
4 steps, Abraham. Probably 4. Okay.
No, you
7.
only have 3 steps. Shouldn't there be 4?
Cannot understand, Abraham. Please repeat.
Ma'am, on the diagram, you only on the ma'am, shouldn't there be 4 steps instead of? Ma'am, I can't find all the 4 steps. There's 1. Wait one. Yeah, ma'am.
See the 1. Okay. 2, 3, and then 4 and 5. Okay. This whole thing is 3rd step, and this whole thing is 4th step. Okay. Okay. Simeon is getting. Let me check. 7, 5, 3, 5, 7. Okay, that was the previous one.
Ma'am, I got 328877.
328877. Okay. It's 1, 4, 877.
Your voice is breaking.
Address 148877. Is it for everyone? My voice? Let's try it out. Okay. 53 cube Yes, Anaya, can you repeat that? Your voice is breaking for me, Anaya. Can you repeat that?
I was just saying, could you show how to do this problem?
Yes. 53 cube. Okay. Means that first we have to do the cube of the number at the ones place. Okay. 27. Then multiply with 3, 5, and the square of 3. Okay. Which becomes first step, second step. This becomes 15 into 6. Okay. 15 times 6. Solve it. 90. 90. Add to 90 2 from the previous step. Here we'll only take 7. 92. 92. But we will only take 2. Okay. Third step. multiply with 3, 5 square and 3 square. Okay, so 3 into 25 into 9. Okay, one mistake I've made. Here it is 9, not 6. Okay, and here it's not 90, it's 135. And then 137, so we will only take 7. Okay, 9. Multiply 9 times 25, 225 times 3, 675, 675.
Ma'am, I'm getting 193877.
Okay, 675, add 13 from the previous step. So we have 688. We will take 18, 68 we'll carry to the next step. Fourth step, do a square of the number, cube of the number at the tens place. 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5, 125, 125, add 68, add 68,
Ma'am,
193, 193. Okay, so now we'll put them together. Answer becomes 193,877. Okay,
That means even Simeon's was wrong.
ma'am, I got 193877.
193,877.
I got 148877.
Okay, let me check mine once again. See, first step we will do 3 cube. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 7 we do. Okay, then second step we will do the cube of the number at the ones place. Okay, so 3 into 5 into 3 square. Okay, 3 square is 9. And 5 times 3 is 15. So we multiply 5 with 3 and then with 9. So 135 we got. Okay, 135 we got. In 135, I added this 2 from the previous step. Okay, from the previous step I added. So 137 it became 7 I took here. 7 I took here. Okay, then third step, we take square of 3 into square of the 10th number, that is 5. So square of 5 is 25 and 3 is 9. Okay, so 3 into 25 into 9, okay, is 675. That is correct, 675. Then this 13 that was here extra, I added it here in the next step. Okay, plus 13, 8, 8, 6, 688. Okay. Then again, 8 I took here. Okay. And added 68 to the next step. Okay. Next last step is 5 cube. 5 cube. So 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. 125 plus 68 I did. Okay, plus 68 I did. So 193 I was getting. Okay, 193 I was getting. All right, 193,877 I'm getting. Simeon, what did you do different?
I don't know. I think it must have been a calculation error or something.
A calculation error
Ma'am,
or
what
something.
answer is the book giving?
Okay. What answer is the book giving? Let me check that.
Can I check on Google? What's the answer?
Yes, Simeon, check it. 20.10, first one. Book is giving 178. Another answer, like the third answer it's giving.
So which answer is correct?
If I just calculate 53 times 53 times 53,
Google is also giving what I gave.
148,877.
Wait, 1 second.
148,877.
Then maybe the sutra is wrong.
1 second. I'll just. Wait, what? What is this? Okay, let me see. Hmm.
The method is right. All the steps are right. But I don't know where the error is coming. Okay.
See, this is when I open Google what it showed.
Okay, let me see that. One four eight eight seven seven. Okay, Simeon. All right. Okay. So, Simeon, after the class, just
Your voice is breaking.
share
We can't
Yeah,
understand.
ma'am, your voice is breaking.
your issue, okay?
Your voice is
What
breaking and
addition?
lagging.
Is it clear now?
Yes, now.
Hello.
Now it's clear.
Can you
Again, it's
hear me
breaking.
now? Okay. Hi. Okay. Now it's clear.
Ma'am, when you do the
Yeah, now it's fine.
Yes.
ma'am, when you do the cube root, you're getting 57.87736673333. That's what Google is saying.
Not cube root, cube.
No, when you do the
Okay.
cube
We will discuss this.
877, you're getting that answer.
Okay. All right. I'll check this once again. Okay. I'll check this once again today. Okay, we will stop here. And then I'll see like what error is it getting or why we are unable to find out the answer using this method. Okay.
I think
Okay, Simeon, just share your solution once with
mm, I
okay. Like later on after the class, just send a picture. I'll go through it, okay, and verify. All right. If it's an error or like if 53 is like a perfect cubic number or not. I think that might also be an issue. Maybe. Okay.
ma'am,
Okay then. I'll
I think it is a perfect cubic number.
ma'am,
okay.
I think this only works with one. The digits ending with
It's
one.
only one.
Digits ending with
Okay.
because we faced no problem for 91 and
41 and
1
31.
41, but we are facing problem with 53.
Okay, maybe this is the reason because all the rest of the numbers are actually ending with 1. Okay, so I'll try out some more questions. I'll try doing it with 42, 22. Okay, these I'll try doing and check if I'm getting the answer. Okay, then it'll confirm it that if the number 1 with the digits ending with 1 only. Okay, and then I'll let you all know this tomorrow. Okay, we'll stop here and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Okay,
when is
bye
the
then.
test for
When is
the
this
first part of the lesson?
When is the test for the first part of the lesson? First part of the lesson test, we can keep Thursday or Friday.
Ma'am, I thought you were
Okay, let's keep,
after we completed the full class,
yes,
we were supposed to take the
the
test.
first part test. No, we will take the first part test like this week and second part test tomorrow, next week.
And ma'am, then when will you do
Okay.
the revision classes?
Revision, we will take like this week before the test. So Friday, we will have the test of the first part. Okay. Wednesday, Thursday, I can take its revision. All right.
What happens if the revision is not complete in that time?
It will be completed, Abraham.
Okay,
Okay. Okay then. See you all. Bye.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
when is
Bye,
this chapter ending?
Maya.
When is this chapter ending? Simeon, this chapter will end. Or this chapter will end probably by next week.